What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. On the left side will be the picture of a selfie cheerful man, and also the location will be in the street, in the middle of the city or the building, or between two buildings, and in the daylight, I'm sorry. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be totally transformed into this moody and also rainy photography. And also there are several neon lights surrounding. How to create this photo transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. And if you would like to try it here, then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, you can continue to click this Try Nano Banana. And you can start to upload the file or picture from this plus. Upload file. And for example, I will choose this one. And after that, I will start to put the prompt like this. Transform this image into the moody cinematic nighttime scene. And also the set gonna be in the rainy urban environment featuring the single person. And also the person and the outfit now look wet. And also the person is looking thoughtfully to the left, and also with a serious or contemplative expression. And also the background should feature blur, storefront or building illuminated by vibrant contrasting neon light in red and blue, and also reflecting off the wet pavement. And also the atmosphere should be dark, solitary, and also slightly melancholic, with visible rain streaks or wet effect on surface. And also the focus is on the person pose and also the expression amidst evocative urban glow. So this will be the prompt we will have, and after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically, this is the same prompt that I used before to create this photo transformation. However, you can still have the possibility to create or have a little bit different look, maybe about the angle, or maybe there is another person over here. So this will be the another result, and the position of this man slightly a little bit backward. And if you like it, then you can start to download it, and it will be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and you can try this prompt to create the photo transformation. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.